drive in style with this 2003 Mazda B-Series 2WD Truck DS. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are ABS, variable speed intermittent wipers, rear-wheel drive, split bench seat, front disc rear drum brakes, aluminum wheels, and fog lamps. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.